source and signs of deficiency. 1. Calcium. I. Role. A. It is essential constituent of bones and teeth. B. It is vital for metabolic process such as nerve function, muscle contraction, and blood clotting. 2. Source. Dairy products. 3. Deficiency. Osteomalacia, softening of bones, Osteoporosis, Rickets, Tetany. 2. Iron. I. Role. It is the key constituent of haemoglobin which helps in transfer of oxygen. 2. Source. Eggs, green vegetables, fortified foods, cereals, white flour, liver, meat, nuts, peas. 3. Deficiency. Anemia, increased susceptibility to infection. Magnesium. I. Role. It is essential for healthy bones, muscles and nervous tissues. It is needed for functioning of approximate 90 enzymes. 2. Source. Eggs, leafy vegetables, fish, milk and dairy products. 3. Deficiency. Anxiety, fatigue, insomnia, muscle problem, nausea, premenstrual problem. 4. Phosphorus. I. Role. It is important for healthy bone tissues. 2. Source. Dairy products, fruits, meat, pulses, leafy vegetables. 3. Deficiency. Anemia, demineralization of bones, nerve disorder, respirator problem, weakness, weight loss. 5. Potassium. I. Role. It is essential for intracellular fluid, maintenance of electrical potential of the nervous system and functioning of muscle and nerve tissues. 2. Source. Cereals, coffee, fresh fruits, meat, vegetables, whole grains, flour. 3. Deficiency. General muscle paralysis and metabolic disorder. 6. Sodium. I. Role. It is necessary for the control of the volume of extracellular fluid in the body, maintenance of pH of the body, and electrical potentials of the nervous system. 2. Source. Bakery products, table salts. 3. Deficiency. Low blood pressure, general muscle weakness, respiratory problems. Computer.